Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग यस आप लोगों ने मैंने शीट रोटेट की है आप लोगों के साथ आप लोगों ने फिल कर दी हैव यू सीन लेट मी ओपन दैट नो 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 व्हाई नो अरे क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग चेक योर email IDs I have rotated one of the sheet with you so पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ कि आप लोगों की टीम डिसाइड हो गई हैं have you decided your team members or not ma'am I have not decided okay some of you are not decided okay team is decided and what about your project and my friend wants to join us which friend Ravi you can unmute yourself Ravi I think he is in the same batch Ravi Ramesh is in the same batch or not we have decided what you have decided okay first we need to discuss it. Yes, for project title, first of all, today you will discuss with me what you had decided yet. आप लोगों ने कौन कौन से projects decide किए हैं पहले पहले अपने टीम मेंबर्स बताओ मुझे के करके और फिर अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स को डिस्कस करो फिर उसे फाइनलाइज करते हैं फिर शीट्स बनाना शुरू करेंगे ओके ओके सो हु विल गोइंग टू स्टार्ट वी आर रेडी फॉर वासु ओके वासु who is your team members whosoever is the team member with Vasu, unmute yourself. And Vasu, you also unmute yourself. Ravi, Vasu, Nirav, and me. Okay, two Vasus are there in the group. अरे ये क्या बात हुई चार लोग ऑलरेडी हो और एक स्टूडेंट और आप लोगों को ज्वाइन करना चाह रहे दिस इज व्हाट यू आर सेइंग unmute yourself first of all you five people Ravi Vasu Nirav Ramesh
Yeah, ma'am.
yes
Yes, ma'am.
what is your team is decided four people and Ramesh wants to join you. This is the scenario.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, what is the problem in between?
Ma'am, can Ramesh join us?
तो आप
Like,
लोग बाकी जो टीम मेंबर्स हैं वो लोगों का चार चार का ग्रुप्स नहीं बन रहा है कैन रमेश कैन नॉट ज्वाइन विद अदर्स
Ma'am, last time I was in lab B, that's all, ma'am.
okay let last time you was I am new in the class and I don't know anyone so I could not make any team
Yeah,
Rishabh
ma'am.
is saying so guys if you people can please collaborate with one another this is the teamwork so don't force me to make the teams right so collaborate with one another persons interact with others as well if you are doing work in your comfort zone it is fine but out of your comfort zone you will have to work over there काम करने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि दोस्तों को ले लिया और बस काम हो जाएगा हमें तो कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा ये नहीं करना है ठीक है
Okay.
तो पहले देखो रमेश की कोई और ग्रुप है जिसमें चार से कम लोग हैं
Okay, ma'am, I'll check.
या महक वी आल्सो नो 5 members are not allowed any way. करना क्या तुम पांचों लोगों को? शीट ही तो बनानी है तुम लोगों को. मैं तो तुम लोगों को चार भी बोल रही हूँ, दैट मीन्स इट इज नॉट फेयर. दो लोग भी सफिशिएंट हैं. तुम लोग करते क्या हो फिर सारा सेमेस्टर? देयर आर 25 स्टूडेंट्स इन बैच. देयर आर नॉट 25 स्टूडेंट्स इन बैच. इसी टू है ना? रुको मुझे चेक ही कर लेने दो तुम. In EC2 there are 30 students in a batch. 30 or 29. Yeah, 29 students in a batch. So you can easily make the teams of 4 students. 7 teams, right? Other than that, one person is remaining. In only one team I can allow, but at also another time, if some groups are having 2 or 3 members, then other 2 or 3 can collaborate and do the work. Fine. So who is decided yet? Rishabh, but I'm saying, Mahak, let me know first. There are 4 people in a team in every group. If there is not, I will not allow the 5 members. Only there is one possibility. So let me check that first. Yes, Rishabh. What is your thing? You are new in class. Right now you have moved from PC1.
Yes, ma'am.
From PC2 you are moved here. So you do not know anyone here.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you contacted? Have you interacted with anyone earlier?
No.
Not yet. Okay. So, guys, who is the seer of your class? EC2? Me, Anjan. So, Rishabh, first of all, you will talk to Anjan, and whatever the help you require, talk to Anjan first. Anjan, you will help them, the people who are new to your class, help them as much as possible, and also help them to interact with others. Okay? Yes. अब बताइए भाई, जिन लोगों के ऑलरेडी ग्रुप्स डिसाइडेड हैं और प्रोजेक्ट्स जिन. यस, विश्वा.
Yes, our group is already decided as for the previous sem 3 group only we are continuing.
Name of the members.
Okay, Vijay Ghelani,
Yes.
Vishwa Doshi,
Yes.
Jinal Kansagra, and Ishan Jha.
Okay, the 4 people.
Yes, yes.
Okay, what is your project you have decided?
Ma'am, we actually were confused. We have thought of two topics, but we were
Hmm.
confused what to choose. So we are yet deciding it.
Okay, just explain both the ideas.
Okay, see, basically one is automation in agriculture thing.
Okay.
So bringing in automation into agriculture and using programming language easier for farmers to recognize plants and crops. And second is I think it's a must and everywhere the coffee beans, the outer part of the coffee beans have been wasted every time, right?
Hmm.
So and that the material is can be used as a biodegradable alternative for a biodegradable. So instead of as in for wearing specs, instead of using plastic as the body part, we were thinking about using this coffee beans wrapper instead of that. So it becomes a biodegradable specs.
Okay.
That are the two topics we're thinking about, but we are confused which one to choose.
Okay, just let me know about these two topics some a little bit more. The first
Okay.
topic you had decided about the agriculture, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
And
Automation in agriculture.
yeah, automation in agriculture. So basically, what you want to do in that at your end?
We were thinking about naming all the crops and plants and
Hmm.
feeding that data into like automating that data and making a device. Or
Hmm.
right now we just have to make a prototype only. So
Hmm.
making a prototype about a device that can
Hmm.
recognize every plant and that can give information about that plant, how much fertilizer it will need, how much water it will need, and thus that can help the farmer identify crops.
Okay, so only that device can do that. You
Yes,
can
yes,
able to do that.
yes.
You people can, okay, that device. So in which area that device you will going to develop, means in which things you will going to develop in that device, whatever the
Uh,
which technology you will use. Do you have
I
that thing?
I didn't get your question.
I'm asking that device you want to develop, which
Yes.
technology or which field you are going to use in that.
That will be in agriculture, right?
No, no, I'm asking that device
Okay,
you want
okay.
to develop.
How that device can be developed like that you're
Yes,
asking?
yes, yes.
Uh, so we have thought about programming a language, like programming some data into it,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
that way. I still didn't get your question, ma'am.
I'm asking, Bache, ki in which technology have you seen this kind of things? From where you get this idea? By yourself?
No, we have researched about it.
You have listened, okay, you have heard about. So,
Yes.
so do one thing. First of all, see, this is the suggestion for everyone. Whenever you are picking anything for your project or for your study or for the things you want to develop in any of the field, first of all, go and do some literature survey. कि ऐसी कोई चीज अवेलेबल है जो आप बनाने जा रहे हो, अगर है तो उसमें क्या क्या चीजें यूज हुई हैं, कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी में उसे डेवलप किया गया है, हम क्या क्या चीजें उसमें ऐड ऑन कर सकते हैं, और अगर वो नहीं है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज द न्यू थिंग यू आर गोइंग टू प्लान फॉर योर प्रोजेक्ट, देन हाउ यू विल गोइंग टू डू दिस, हाउ यू विल गोइंग टू डेवलप दिस. तो ये तो सिर्फ एक आइडिया है कि आपने सोचा कि हम ऐसा बनाएंगे. अब बनाने के लिए आपको उसके लिए बहुत सारी चीजें लाइक द फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वांट टू make a website. So first of all, I should know about the web development. Then I will going to develop this website. Otherwise, it is not possible for me. Or other than that, I can also say that now, if I don't know web development, that I can learn. Right? So I would be on the right track. This is what I am saying to everyone. अगर आप कोई चीज डेवलप करना चाह रहे हो या आप कोई नया आइडिया इन्वेंट करके उसे बनाना चाह रहे हो, तो फर्स्ट गो एंड डू द सर्वे ओवर इट, लिटरेचर सर्वे, एंड फाइंड आउट कि हाउ यू कैन डू दैट. Is it possible to develop these kinds of things in any of the way? Are you getting Vishwa?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So that in between ऐसा ना हो कि आप stuck हो जाओ,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And what is the second idea?
It's about making a biodegradable specs.
Biodegradable switches,
Specs.
specs. Okay, biodegradable specs. So how you will, what you will going to do in this?
That idea is already under development. That is what we have read. So basically, the coffee beans that are being wasted in coffee shops,
Mm-hmm.
uh, that can be a source of. I mean, that can be an alternative for plastic.
Okay.
So the body part which is made of specs, that is of plastic, right? Either it's
Okay.
of steel or it's of plastic.
Yes.
So so instead of using plastic, we were thinking about using this coffee beans, and
Okay.
the glass which is used, that can be used of cotton. So the whole product can be made biodegradable.
Okay, so okay, one more thing I want to add on here for everyone. You people are in your core field computers, right? So from
Yes.
any field, any of the area you want to give a solution, you have to give a solution in the form of softwares. This is you can do. या कोई machine या कोई device, electronic device ऐसा बना सकते हो? Do you have that much knowledge of other fields? Yet
Uh,
not? Not
No.
na. So
No.
what you people need to do, you need to get a solution that you need to get that problem, you will provide a solution in some of software things that you can provide a automatic automation to the things, right? So you are giving the solution to the environment, it is fair enough, but how you will automate these things?
Okay.
व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग. सो आप लोगों के एंड पर क्या करना है, यहाँ पर ये नहीं है कि आपने बता दें कि ये प्रॉब्लम है और उसका ये सॉल्यूशन है. दिस इज नॉट वी आर आस्किंग फॉर यू. पॉसिबली ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें जिसके सॉल्यूशन हम ला सकते हैं, जैसे कि हम बोल देते हैं कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर को ये नहीं करना चाहिए, दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन फॉर दिस थिंग. वी कैन से सिंपली. या फिर मैं बोलूँ कि मुझे यहाँ पर हमारी मेन बिल्डिंग से हॉस्टल तक जाने के लिए एक ब्रिज चाहिए ताकि इजीली जा सके, इतना सारा रास्ता कवर ना करना पड़े. कहना आसान है बट बना सकते हैं. इट विल टेक टाइम and lot of efforts. So the solutions you can bring, it would be in your thing, it would be in your possibility, then you can develop this, right? You can come up with
Yes,
that
ma'am.
solution that you can develop.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Change
wanted
the.
to ask
Yes.
the previous time we did about
Mm.
smart textile. So can we continue that itself?
You can continue anything, but you should have a solution in your hands.
Okay, we basically developed a prototype, but there are no specific like were working on smart textile.
Mm.
So the fiber and material thing we are I mean we were not aware about it where it is available, and so we haven't worked with it. But the prototype was developed.
Okay, so now what you will do on this?
I mean the same we can continue, or we have to work on a different thing.
You have to work on a different perspective.
Okay, with the same project we have to work on a different
With
thing.
same domain you can continue, but the different perspective you can continue.
Okay, ma'am. We'll
Yes.
discuss about this and we'll let you know by tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely. Yes, others, other group. Vishwa, do one thing. Write your entries in your online sheet, the name of your group members, and at the place of the project title, write it down. Yet not decided. We are discussing.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Dhruv, Mohammed, Himang, and Chooser. Unmute yourself. Yes, Mohammed. Which project you have decided?
We have decided 4 topics.
4 topics. Okay.
Ma'am,
First is
one is
smart.
RFID-based automatic billing system in trolley.
Okay. Can you please explain this, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in shopping malls right now there are only trolleys, but we would use Arduino, LCD display, and Zigbee transmitter, so
Mm-hmm.
that when we purchase a product, so we keep in trolley, so it would
Mm-hmm.
total the bill amount and directly send to the main computer using Zigbee transmitter.
Okay. 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 So you know how to use these technologies?
No, ma'am, but we would learn.
Okay, you will learn. Okay. Right now you are not aware. Okay. Another 3 ideas? This is the only idea or another idea you people are having?
Ma'am, one is image processing.
Image processing. So what you want to do in that?
That user would say.
Ma'am, in image processing, we use Android phone to capture any image, and
Hmm.
using the natural language processing, we
Hmm.
can use Google API to translate that image text
Hmm.
into our native language like English or Hindi Gujarati.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So this is what you want. Actually, basically, you are doing NLP on images.
Yes, yes.
You want to translate. So do you know how to? Do you know a little bit about the things?
Yes, ma'am. I made a project, but it was not based on camera, but it was
Mm-hmm.
just a natural language processing unit.
Means you
But
are you will
we
use
will,
the data set for images,
yes,
and
yes,
you will
yes,
translate that data set.
yes. I have just used a data set for digits, like MNIST data set, but I
Okay.
will try to use it all. If
On images. Okay,
yes,
great. So another thing you are having, or these two ideas? Actually,
garage
both of
management system.
गैरेज मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम तो भाई अभी बस करो, बहुत मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम है हम लोगों के पास. These two आर. और कोई आइडिया आप लोगों का जो बताना चाहो?
Yes, ma'am. Clothing try on.
There is clothing try on.
प्रोटीन क्या है इसमें, जरा बताइए.
Clothing. There nowadays there is going on online business.
हम्म.
So in 3D view we can try a cloth.
ओके.
We can use this in online shopping. Like in Lenskart, we have a Google site. Try on.
ऑनलाइन किसकी जगह पे करना चाहते हो इसको यूज?
अ, मतलब क्लोथिंग होती है ना, मिंत्रा, फ्लिपकार्ट, वैसे
हाँ
हम
हाँ.
हमारी इमेज आ जाती है उसमें. मतलब हम पे कैसे वो लगेगा
अच्छा,
क्लोथ.
आपके खुद के एज इन
हाँ
यूजर जो उसे परचेज करना चाह रहा है उस पे वो कैसा सूट करेगा, ऐसा?
हाँ, वही हाँ.
तो डू यू नो हाउ टू डू दैट?
नो
मीन्स
मैम.
यू आर हैविंग एन आइडिया?
नो, वी डोंट नो.
जस्ट एक आइडिया है.
हाँ.
Okay. Basically, you people are having good ideas. Three of the three ideas, सारे के सारे is very good. On any of the idea, you can move further, but I think image processing is the better one to move ahead. Other than that, if you are feeling comfortable with other ideas, then you can also go ahead with that. तो आप
And
लोगों
we
को
are
जिसके बारे में ज्यादा नॉलेज है, ज्यादा पता है, आपको पता है कि ये हम कर सकते हैं, तो उसके साथ आप फर्दर मूव कर सकते हो. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so just discuss with your team and finalize the one idea and write down in your sheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
okay.
okay, great. So you four people are there in the group now.
Yes,
Juzer,
ma'am.
Himam, Dhruv, and
Yes.
Mohammed. Okay. Yes. Next one is Manthan, Jay, Vishwaraj, and Ramesh.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. So this is the team, four members in a team, and
Yes.
which are the ideas you want to discuss?
Ma'am, we want to discuss
Yes, yes.
in this we easily way to control the member in institute and is also the students and faculty also
You are
and
not
we
clearly audible, Manthan.
hello hello
Yes, yes, Manthan, go ahead.
Ma'am, our topic is Institute of Management.
Yeah. Yes, yes, बोलिए.
मीन्स કે આપણે સ્ટુડન્ટ મટીરિયલ અટેન્ડન્સ ફેકલ્ટી આપણે ટાઈમ ટેબલ શેડ્યુલ ઇવેન્ટ મેનેજર એક્ઝામ શેડ્યુલ રિઝલ્ટ બધા વિશે ઇન્ફોર્મેશન ને એવું બધું.
Okay. So what is the title of this project?
ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ એપ મેનેજમેન્ટ.
Institution App Management.
એપ મેનેજમેન્ટ.
Okay, so सब कुछ आपके ऑलरेडी पोर्टल पे तो अवेलेबल है, तो तुम क्या नया कर रहे हो? Do you adding something new features in your project?
એટલે
Yes or
મીન્સ
no?
કે અમુક નવા ફીચર્સ ઉમેરી એટલે આ થઈ જાય ને મેડમ.
Sorry, can you please repeat?
અમુક એવા ફીચર્સ આવી જાય, ધારો કે નોટિફિકેશન આખી એક જ એવી એપ કે જેમાં આપણે બધું આવી જાય, એક્ઝામે આપણે એમાં દઈ શકીએ ને એવું બધું.
Okay, so basically you are saying you are having different applications for all these things,
હા
and you are going to plan to merge all these things
હા
in one place.
હા.
Okay, so other idea you people are having?
મેડમ એક એપ્શન છે એ આવતા
Hmm.
લેક્ચરમાં જોઈન થઈ જશે.
Okay, so do you know about this? How to you will go to how you will prepare this, develop this an application, na? So for application development, you people should aware about the Android development, Android programming, and also one programming language Java, PHP.NET,
જાવા સ્ક્રિપ્ટ.
Java or JavaScript. You people are aware of? Yes, Jay or Vishwaraj
વિશ્વરાજ absent મેડમ.
and Ramesh. So, पता है आप लोगों को ये सब? Do you know the backend or the front end technology you will going to use in this application?
Ma'am, we will learn it.
You will learn. Bolo.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
We will learn.
Okay, you will learn. I am asking just do you have a basic idea ki what you need to learn over these things?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically you are going to develop an application, right? And make sure that
Yeah.
we are having a lot of applications, but your application should be having some features that are not available in existing one. Otherwise, there is nothing usage of these applications. All right.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So just write down the entries of your project members and title of your project in the sheet. From these four, one of you will enter. Yes, next team is Ravi, Vasu, Nirav, and Vasu. Unmute yourself, guys.
Our project idea is to job finder.
Shop finder.
Job finder.
Job finder. Okay.
Yes.
So what you are planning in this?
As we all know, there are so many people, jobless people in who want to
Hmm.
job,
Hmm.
but they can't find their own dream job. So that
Hmm.
application will help their poor people.
Okay, that application how will help them?
But there are other alternatives of this app. But this app has specific features like everybody should
This is which features it have?
yes, ma'am. There are many
हाँ, बोलिए.
other supporting languages like uh, Gujarati, Hindi, English.
Okay. So language
That
support
is,
basically this is the new feature you are giving.
no, ma'am, and it should voice assistant.
बेसिकली आपके पास जॉब फाइंडर के लिए ऑलरेडी एप्लीकेशंस हैं इफ यू नो दैट दैट इज शाइन है फिर आपके पास लिंक्डइन है यू आर हैविंग मेनी मोर डू यू नो हैव यू सीन दैट
Yes,
प्लेटफॉर्म्स
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
यस सो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू
But
ऐड इन योर वन
but but अगर कोई भी इंसान को इतना पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है वो भी इसे यूज कर सकता
तो आप अपनी एप्लीकेशन में मतलब क्या प्रोवाइड करने वाली है मैं जानना चाह रही
है। Yes, ma'am. अगर कोई दुकान में किसी की जरूरत है जो
हूँ तो जो इंसान पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है वो एप्लीकेशन को चलाएगा कैसे See, whenever you are planning to do something, na, think about every perspective.
नो
There
मैम
are
जो
other
कोई
people.
भी जॉब करता है वो हैंडल कर सकता है
कोई
जैसे
भी
मैं ये एप्लीकेशन हैंडल करने के लिए ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कि उसका प्रॉपर नॉलेज होना चाहिए वो बोल भी सकता है वो
बोल भी सकता है क्या बोल सकता है मतलब एप्लीकेशन में you will also add NLP speech to text
सॉरी मैम
जैसे कि एप्लीकेशन में you will also add that kind of Google Assistant type that is
यस
speech
मैम
to text recognition
यस
this is what you will going to do
यस मैम
are you sure what are you planning
नो मैम श्योर
yes Vasu Nirav yes other guys Vasu Nirav बाकी तीनों कहाँ हैं रवि
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the idea
यस
you are
मैम
planning to create a job finder application.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the different features you are going to add on this? Because we are already having this kind of applications. हम्म
I have
देखो, हाँ बोलो।
another idea
बोलिए।
for a fingerprint-based ATM system.
ओके।
In this ATM system is safer and more secure than using an ATM card.
यस।
And user need not carry their ATM cards with them at all times.
यस।
And they can use their fingerprint to access ATM services.
यस, ग्रेट। So
Uh,
this is a good idea, but in which means how you will going to develop this? Do you have an idea?
no, ma'am.
You have to explore it on, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other idea you people are having? That's it. So move ahead with this idea. That is your fingerprint based system.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and write down the entries in your sheets.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, and also start exploring this कि how you will going to do this. सिर्फ ये नहीं कि ऐसा
Yes,
कर
ma'am.
सकते हैं, ऐसा कर सकते हैं तो बहुत लोगों को पता है। कैसा करेंगे पूछूंगी लास्ट में मैं तुमसे, कैसे करोगे
Okay,
इसको।
ma'am.
ठीक है।
Yes.
ओके चलो। Yes, next, okay, before moving to the next discussion, Himang is asking what type of prototype we have to done in project. The prototype basically in case of softwares, you need to show your front end or back end looks like. Means if you are developing any website or application kind of things, then definitely there is in this semester there is no need to implement the application. आपको implementation perform नहीं करना है. So it, there's no need to perform coding and make this website. If you are doing that is great. If you are not doing implementation in this semester, then you have to create front ends, like how your website look likes, how your application look likes, the pages of your applications. Means have you seen that applications कि हम जैसे enter करते हैं तो home page होता है, फिर we are having certain tabs on it. Are you getting? There are some online websites or tools are available to make the front end कि how our projects will look like. Do you know that or not? बताइए मुझे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you have to make that kind of thing in prototype. Means a rough blueprint कि this is the page. जैसे कि हम notebook पे बना के दिखा सकते हैं कि this is the home page, these are the buttons, these are the text types or these are the text fields that will be available on this page. Yeah, this is the
So,
prototype.
ma'am, in image processing, can we run it directly in Python?
Yeah,
Sensor.
you can. If
Okay.
prototype is not, if you are preparing, if you are implementing, then you can also make a video of that.
Okay.
Yes. Ramesh, prototype. Yeah, this is the prototype I'm asking. That is the blueprint of your website or software. You are not constructing and building कि आप कोई नक्शा बना के दिखाओगे तो, और आपके ऐसा भी नहीं है कि you are constructing a machine or a device that will have a prototype. Prototype क्या होता है, आप कोई भी डिवाइस बना रहे हो तो उसका एक ब्लूप्रिंट है ना. So in software you are having a prototype, that is the front end and back end, how your application looks like. Fine. Yes, the next team is Kanan, Vrunda and Krupali.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We have three ideas. First one is smart parking management system. Second one is medical application, and third one is quiz application for Android.
The third one is?
Quiz application for Android.
Okay. Discuss the third one.
Yes. In first smart parking management system, the main purpose of system is to make parking easy for people. They can easily park their cars into malls and multiplexes.
Yeah, I know the
Uh,
basic idea behind. What are you going to plan over this?
of into this application we are trying to make one applicable through which people can secure their parking slot of or how much time, so people can easily park their car. One can get any difficulty like they are not able to get out their car from parking.
Okay.
And
Yes, second one.
Yes, ma'am. Second idea is medical education, into which the patient can take appointment like
Vrinda, your voice is not audible correctly. It is breaking.
just a second, ma'am. Now it's audible, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes. Second one is medical application, into
Yes.
which patients can take an online appointment and they can check a doctor is available or not
Hmm.
and find a
Hmm.
medical or hospital nearby them. And they can also consult a doctor online.
But there are many more applications are available nowadays, kind of this online prescriptions and all this stuff. There's
Yes, ma'am.
something new in your application?
Uh,
Not now, na? What is the third one? Third idea?
Uh, that is the quiz application. In
Hmm.
this, we are try to make one application of quiz into which students can register themselves and
Hmm.
they can see performance graph and result of exam, and also they can see the history of all past exams that attended by students.
Okay. So first and third idea is fine. You can implement any of them. So discuss with your team members and move ahead with one or third, first and third idea. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
And do you know how to do this? How to develop these things?
No, ma'am, we will learn.
You
We
need
will
to
learn.
explore. Okay. So make sure that girls, you will just first learn how to prepare this, how to develop this, then move ahead.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
So just write down your details in the sheet.
Okay.
Yes. If you are not sure now which idea you are moving further, then put both of the ideas by giving slash in between.
Okay, okay.
Okay. For now. Then you can, when once you will stick on one, then you will just edit it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Next team. Any other team who is remaining? Vatsal. Breeze, Aditya, Anjan, Breeze, Mahek, Suchi. No, you have to make your four members in a group. There are other people who are still remaining in your batch. Rishabh is still remaining. Also in this group, the three girls are here, right? So you can make 3 and 4 group. तीनों चार लोग मिलकर एक ग्रुप बना सकते हो. So Briz, just decide how many of you are in a group. Exclude one people.
Ma'am, there's some of the absent also. 1 or 2%.
Probably some of them are absent, but you need to decide in your group, na?
Ma'am, first we were four, then we
Mm-hmm.
became three,
Hmm.
then the other people, the other two,
Hmm.
wants to join us. So we decided it to make it five.
But it is not possible, na? So you have to decide. You will perform the things in 3 or 4. Means in 3, 2 or 4. The rest of the remaining of the one person will join with Rishabh. और rest two will join with
Ma'am, just give me
ऋषभ.
2 minutes.
या आप लोग ऑलरेडी 5 हो. ऋषभ के पास भी कोई टीम नहीं है, तो आप या तो 3 और 2 में डिवाइड हो जाओ एंड 2 people will join with ऋषभ. Talk to him. Yes, anyone else who is remaining? Shubham and Vatsal. Yes, Vatsal and Shubham.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is your idea?
Ma'am, we have not decided because of
Where
आज
is
ही हमने
Shubham?
ग्रुप डिसाइड
शुभम कहाँ है?
यस मैम, आज ही ग्रुप बना है इसलिए डिसाइड
तो
नहीं हुआ
पिछले
अभी
हफ्ते
तक.
से क्या कर रहे हो तुम दोनों?
मैम मेरी लैब आज ही बदली है.
ओके,
चेंज हो गई ना इसलिए।
ये कब हुआ?
मंडे।
मैंने तो पिछले लैब से तुम लोगों को ऐड कर रखा है।
नो मैम, मैं मंडे से ही आई हूँ।
ओके, सो डू इट फास्ट। कब तक डिसाइड हो जाएगा तुम्हारा दोनों
आज
का?
तक हो जाएगा।
आज तक। So it is your responsibility, both of you. Will discuss your idea with me whenever you will get free by tomorrow. Okay. Vatsal and Shubham.
Yes.
So you people will itself call me or message me and discuss with me and arrange a meeting with me. Anything you can do and discuss your idea by tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Write down your names in the sheet and at the place of title, write down the reason that we are still not decided and we will discuss tomorrow. Update. Yes. Whosoever has discussed the project titles or the project ideas with me, just go to your sheet and do the modifications and update your list, your project members, and add your project title. Fine. किस किसने लिख दिया है? यूजर एंड टीम डन. मंथन.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes. Ravi, Vasu, you people are still pending. Enter the details.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Kanan and team done. Himang, you are in which team? Okay, so user के साथ done. Then next, Vatsal and Shubham. Enter your details. Then what about Breeze and your team? Have you decided something?
Ma'am, we are planning of it.
We are what?
Just thinking about.
इतना कौन सा तुम सोच रहे हो? ऐसा मतलब कौन सा तुम्हें मतलब
मैम
काम
अब
दे दिया सोचने वाला?
अब ऐसे कैसे कह सकते हैं कि अब टीम में ले लिया फिर अब ना कैसे बोले?
It is very simple. I will divide you तीन और दो में. If it is not possible at your end. ये कोई मतलब दोस्ती यारी थोड़ी चल रही है. टीम वर्क है, किसी के साथ भी करो.
मैम अब क्लास में बाकी सबके हो चुके हैं ग्रुप, अगर हम देखे जाए ना तो, क्योंकि अब एक एब्सेंट है
मैंने
और
बता दिया already, Brice. One person is still pending, Rishabh, right? And in your team you are having 5.
ऋषभ एंड सदाशिव बोथ आर एंडिंग
Okay, both are pending. Then अगर आप दो लोग भी इसमें से आउट होते हो तो उसमें ऐड हो सकते हैं. ठीक है?
एंड वन गर्ल ऑल्सो.
Who is that girl?
आई डोंट नो हिज नेम.
Let me check the list. बेटा 5 तो मैं अलाउड ही नहीं करूंगी, चाहे एक पर्सन को बनाना पड़े अकेले. अब देख लो तुम लोग क्या करना है तुम लोगों को. And I had already given you enough time. Who has done? Vrunda, Juzer, Ravi, Vishwaraj. Vishwaraj is done in any of the team?
Ma'am, ये हमारा
Manthan, correct. So next one is Vasu, Hemang, Dhruv, Vishwa, Nirav, Vidhi. Vidhi is, I think she is absent now and she is not in any of the group yet. One girl.
I'm
Vidhi.
here.
Vidhi is in which group?
Vishwa's group, ma'am. Vishwa, Jinal, I, and Ishant.
Okay, okay. And are you girls, I think not entered your entries in the sheet now? Do it.
Ma'am, we have entered.
You have entered where?
In the sheet, we have written that we are discussing it.
बच्चे पर मुझे आपकी एंट्रीज नहीं दिख रही हैं. There are three teams which has entered the data. Anjan and its team, Juicer, and Vrunda. Only three teams are there. Where you have entered?
Okay, ma'am. Let me check.
Okay, okay. You are entering in last of the things. अच्छा बीच में आप लोगों ने रोज छोड़ दिए हैं. Vasu and then Manthan Vishwa. Okay, okay. Done, done. Next, Briz, done. Aditya. Aditya is है किसी की टीम में? I think Aditya is not there, na? Yes. Next,
Yes,
what's
ma'am. I am with Breeze.
what?
I am with Breeze.
You are with Bridge. Okay. You are
Yes.
already in any team, in any one team. Done.
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
Vatsal, done. Ishan. ईशान किसी की टीम में है अभी तक ये नो ओके सो वन पर्सन इज रिमेनिंग ईशान इज विद
RD
टीम विश्वा एंड विधि राइट
with Vishwa, Vidhi,
Yes, ma'am.
Jinal, and Ishar.
ओके इन योर टीम he is absent now today next is manthan dan zinal vasu muhammad krupali dan anjan ramesh suchi kanan jay jay your team is decided jay
Yes, ma'am. I am in Manthan's team.
okay. Next, Shubham, done. Rishabh, Rishabh is pending, na? Sadashiv and Chibu. These three people, na? Rishabh, Sadashiv and Chibu. So, guys, you are having only one option. Uh, Mehak and Bridge, you are having one option. You people will make a team of three or two either. Right? Either you will break in four and one, and other three people are there, and one can join with them. So it is your choice now.
Ma'am, it's Breeze, Aditya, Mahek, and Anjan and Suchi.
Okay. So you will perform in these two teams.
3 and 2. 3
Okay.
and 2.
Okay, okay. Discuss your ideas then.
Okay. Mahek, Aditya. The first one, which is of mine,
Hmm.
is I'm going to use a LiDAR sensor for an autonomous vehicle with some another radar or sonar sensors for a vehicle, autonomous vehicle,
Okay. How you will
using a
going to
LiDAR
do?
sensor.
You are performing automation, na?
Yes,
For which things?
LiDAR sensor, using LiDAR sensors, radar
Hmm.
sensor, and ultrasonic.
Okay. Any other idea you are having?
The other one will say by Mahek. Will say it by Mahek.
Yes, Mehak.
Okay. Another one is yes, ma'am. Another one is solar tracking panels
Okay.
that we have done in a previous semester,
Hmm.
and the project is uh, from dawn to when sun sets, the whole time our solar panel will be directly in contact or in a perfect condition to absorb every single ray of sun,
Okay.
by which we can tilt using IoT, motion
Hmm.
sensors, light
Hmm.
sensors, and some of the microcontrollers that will detect the sun's position in the sky, and the panel will tilt accordingly.
Okay. So how you will do this? In which how you will give this solution?
So the actual problem was we cannot use the sunlight in evening times. So what we are doing that we are attaching some of the bearings and some of the movement uh, objects with microcontrollers and IoT systems that can
Hmm.
tilt the solar panel according to the sun's position in the sky. So we can
Okay.
use and every single ray throughout the day.
Okay. Any other idea you people are having? That's it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
now still we have only two.
Now which?
Now only we are have only two.
Okay. So you can move ahead any of one as per your preference. Both ideas are okay. There's nothing like you cannot choose one of them. In which you are comfortable, you can move ahead with one of them.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Next, and also update your idea over there. Or, for now, you can put slash, and when once it is decided, you will just edit it. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, Anjan and Suchi.
Ma'am, our project name is Automated E-Plan.
Hmm.
In this project, ma'am, we are decided to improve e-challan system. In today's time period, e-challan system is operated by group of people. So
Hmm.
we decided to make it automated.
Okay.
So in this, we are going to create one program. This system detect vehicle which will not follow traffic rules and click
Okay.
photo of that particular vehicle. After
Hmm.
that, the system sends that photo for review, and if this photo pass through all the test cases, then the
Hmm.
e-challan will be sent it to a vehicle owner.
Okay. So for now, do you know how to perform these things?
Ma'am, I only know that this can perform by IoT or AI,
Okay.
but later will I learn it.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We'll learn it time.
Do you know the basic idea, na, how to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, that is fine. So you can move ahead. Any other idea you want to discuss?
No, ma'am, we have only one.
Okay. So write your entry in the sheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So everybody is done. I think one person or group is pending. Rishabh, there are two other person in your class, Sadashiv and Shibu. Do you know them? Yes. So make group with them. You three people will continue. Today you will call them or contact them and discuss the things and let me know by tomorrow whatever the discussion you had done today, and if you had decided to do the things with in the same group, then you will decide one of the topic for the project and discuss with me. Okay, is it fine? Okay, Rishabh. So everybody is done with their team and project discussions. Whosoever is yet discussing and struck in somewhere about the idea, take the time, and if discussion is required with me, you can discuss with me anytime, and take you will just create a Google Meet with me and discuss your ideas with me anytime, before after 2 o'clock and before 4 o'clock, in between 2 to 4 you can do that, right, before your next lab. तो नेक्स्ट लैब से पहले पहले ये सब खत्म हो जाना चाहिए, आपके प्रोजेक्ट के टाइटल्स और आपकी टीम्स। डन? So in the next lab, we will start with the sheets and what to do next, the next task in this lab or in this subject. So for now, we are closing the session over here with this discussion.